Gochain is one of those unimaginably imaginative tokens that have a strong specialized establishment and a good rundown of organizations yet haven't figured out how to make a leap forward yet. As a more modest token, it doesn't have a proper positioning spot in the market cap-based evaluations, like CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. It remains someplace in the 500-700 territory. Many coins and tokens with a comparative position have a market capitalization that isn't that unique in relation to their neighbors. That is the reason their spots in the positioning can vary fiercely in one day or less. In spite of that, Gochain can in any case be a beneficial venture for specific financial backers. As a more modest token, Go is a moderately dangerous decision, yet it likewise has high benefit potential. In this video, we will endeavor to make a Gochain cost estimate for 2022 to 2030, yet kindly recollect that no one but you can conclude whether a resource will be ideal for your portfolio or not. Gochain, or Gochain, as it is likewise in some cases spelled, is one of the greenest and quickest digital currencies on the planet. Furthermore, it is additionally viewed as among the most savvy tokens. Its exchanges really depend on multiple times less expensive than those of the most famous computerized monetary standards like Bitcoin or Ethereum. The typical exchange affirmation time for Go is 3 minutes 5 seconds. Gochain Specialized Investigation. The Gochain cryptographic money has a few things backing it up. However, there are likewise a couple of variables that appear to be highlighting Go having a somewhat difficult time soon. Its true Reddit people group, first of all, will be everything except dead in every one of the new posts. There are simply individuals asking for one Go to have the option to move their OMI tokens. Also, clients from the US are at present experiencing issues getting Go. Furthermore, a noticeable undertaking that utilized the Gochain organization, the VEVE Commercial Center and its token OMI, has as of late moved to the Ethereum blockchain. Then again, Gochain stays an exceptionally powerful and eco-accommodating blockchain stage. It likewise has its own NFT commercial center, Zeramin. Gochain's cost and the fate of the venture will to a great extent rely on the number of organizations that its group will figure out how to lay out sooner rather than later. There's a tremendous chance that the current shakiness might carry a ton of new financial backers to the market, and it will really depend on Go's group to sort out ways of drawing in them to this undertaking. The task's eco-kind disposition doubtlessly is a tremendous benefit, as should be visible from the graph. Gochain's cost follows the remainder of the cryptographic money market. Consequently, it is probably going to ascend close by other digital forms of money later on as well. Gochain Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Gochain costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Gochain will be $0. The most extreme level that the Go cost can reach is 1 cent. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. Go Value Gauge for January 2023. In view of the value variances of Gochain toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Go pace of $0 January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 individually. February 2023, Gochain Value Conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their gauge at the Go cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Gochain may be around $0. Go Value Conjecture for WALC 2023. Crypto experts have really looked at the value vacillations of Gochain in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Go rate they foresee may be around $0 WALC 2023. It can drop to $0 a base. The most extreme worth may be $0. April 2023, Gochain Value Conjecture. Around mid-year 2022, the Go cost will be exchanged at $0 in large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Gochain worth to $0. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0 April 2023. Go Value Conjecture for May 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Gochain costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, $0. The most reduced and top Go rates may be $0. June 2023, Gochain Value Gauge. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Go cost will be around $0. In June 2023, the Gochain cost might drop to at least $0. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0 June 2023. Go Value Conjecture for July 2023. Having broke down Gochain costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the Go rate could arrive at a limit of $0 July 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $0. For July 2023, the Gauge normal of Gochain is almost $0. August 2023, Gochain value gauge. Around mid-2022, the Gochain cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the Go cost could change somewhere in the range of $0. Go value figure for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Gochain worth won't dip under at least $0. The greatest pinnacle expected for this present month is $0. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0. October 2023, Gochain value conjecture. Digital money specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of Go costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their conjecture is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Gochain will be around $0, with a chance of dropping to at least $0. In October 2023, the normal expense will be $0. Go value figure for November 2023. In light of the value variances of Gochain toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Go pace of $0 November 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 at 1 cent, separately. December 2023, Gochain value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their figure at the Go cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach 1 cent during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Gochain may be around $0. Gochain value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Gochain in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Gochain will be around 1 cent. The greatest expected Go cost might be around 1 cent. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 1 cent in 2023. Gochain value expectation 2025. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Gochain, in 2024, Go is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 1 cent and 2 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 2 cents. Gochain value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Gochain and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Go cost could drop to 2 cents, while its most extreme can reach 3 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 2 cents. Gochain value expectation 2027. In light of the examination of the expenses of Gochain by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Go costs are normal in 2026, 4 cents and 4 cents. All things considered, it will be exchanged at 4 cents. Gochain value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the vacillations of Gochain. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical Go cost will be around 6 cents. It could drop to at least 5 cents. However, it actually could reach 7 cents all through 2027. Gochain value expectation 2029. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Gochain. It is assessed that Go will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 8 cents and 10 cents in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around 8 cents during the year. Gochain value forecast 2030. Cryptographic money examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the Gochain's cost. The year 2029 not entirely set in stone by the greatest Go cost of 14 cents. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around 12 cents. In this way, the normal